Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. Today I have this cordless angle grinder 12V from Parkside. The model PWSA 12C2. Bare unit only, battery and charger are not included. It is compatible with all batteries in X12V Team series. With no load rotation speed 19,000 RPM, cutting disc diameter 76 mm, accessories included, spindle lock. It is an ergonomic design with anti-slip soft grip features, with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. In a lovely case, durable case. Included we have the manual. Stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product and only the tool. Here you can have your charger, the 12V battery, 2 ampere hours, or the 4 ampere hours 12V. It is your choice. And of course included and the Allen key if you want to replace the disc. We have adjustable disc cover. Adjust it at the correct position, it will protect you when you are cutting any metal. Plastic, aluminium, whatever you want. It is also ideal for concrete, tiles or stone. And of course you need to have the suitable cutting disc. It has a compact ergonomic design with soft grip elements around and at the handle. Here you can install the battery, the on-off switch. Just press and then pull. It doesn't stay always on. And here we can see the 3 LED indicators. You can see how much battery capacity it has. And of course here we have the button for locking the disc, and then you can remove the disc. But first, remove the battery. I like the 4 ampere hours because with the 4 ampere hours you can have the tool at this position. It stays very well. If you install the 2 ampere hours, nope. So that's why I like the 4 ampere hours. Now press the locking button to remove the disc. So easy. There it is, remove it. Parkside. And then it is so easy to install again the disc. Goes here. I think the disc was installed not correct. Now I think it is okay. Because it has this metal cover here at the front. So it will not damage the disc. The huge washer, then the screw. Press again the button, find the position that it locks. There it is. And with the Allen key. Nice. Install your battery. Adjusting and start cutting the metal. Now I would like to make a comparison with the oldest model. The oldest model has the on-off switch here. Here it is the LED indicator. Compare it with this one. Of course you can use the 4 ampere hours or the 2 ampere hours 12 volt battery. Both they have the locking button here and here. The oldest model, it is smaller. Okay. At the housing motor here, the height, it is the same. Yep, correct. Both they have this cover for the disc adjustment. You can do more or less are the same, but I would like to test the new one. In the past I have made a video for the oldest. Definitely it is very useful tool when you want to cut small items. You don't want so much power, so that's why you can use this small angle grinder. Let's move on for testing. Small portable angle grinder with a cost 20 euros only. You can cut metal, plastic, tiles, stone, anywhere at any time. Precise and clear cut at any surface. I'm very happy with the overall performance. I hope I have helped you enough to decide if you want to buy or not this angle grinder. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.